The New England colonies. In this video, you'll learn about what life was like back during the age of the New England colonies. This is the New England colonies.
Thanksgiving may seem special to you because you get days off of school, but it is a very important in history because the Pilgrims celebrated the first Thanksgiving. These are the natives. These are the Pilgrims.
The villages and towns in the colony were very close together. The houses were so tight you could wave to your neighbor from out the window. Villages and churches were the center of life.
Imagine if you had to go to church every day for the rest of your life, and if you didn't, you would go to jail. That's what the Puritans, reformers had to do. This is the old church, and this is the modern church.
Human resources included many different jobs, like shipbuilding, fishermen, skilled craftsmen, and artisans, and shopkeepers. Which job would you prefer?
Do you live in a house made out of wood or lumber? Have you eaten fish? Imagine eating repeated food every day. Well, the New England colony had a lot of these resources and more. This is the wood and lumber, and this is the fish.
The New England colonies had many resources, but they did not have everything. They relied on the middle colonies for grains and livestock, and the southern colonies for crops.
Thanks for watching our video about the New England colonies. Bye.